Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will show you how to send USDC, a stablecoin, to Celsius Network in order to earn passive income in the form of interest. Now, currently today, USDC is paying just over 10% in interest when you hold those funds in your Celsius account. And the key to that is those funds are not locked up. You can withdraw them anytime you wish. And in reality, Celsius does not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals. So you can interact with your Celsius account without incurring any type of fees. Now, if you're not familiar with the Celsius Network, it is a platform that allows you to earn interest on funds that you send to them, which they will turn around and lend out to borrowers and charge those borrowers an interest rate, and in return you will actually earn a portion of the profit that Celsius earns from those borrowers. And the Celsius Network is basically made up of a community of over 1 million users that are either borrowing funds or earning interest on their funds. And if you're one of the users actually earning interest, you actually get paid your interest on a weekly basis. Every Monday, you get paid on your funds that were held for the prior week. And it's important to mention that you get paid in the like token. So if you're holding Bitcoin, you'll get paid your interest in Bitcoin. If you're holding USDC, you will be paid your interest in USDC. Now, that's enough jaw-jacking. Let's get to the process of sending some USDC to a Celsius account. And if you don't have a Celsius account, the first thing you'll need to do is click on the link in the description down below. If you use my link along with my referral code in the description down below, you can earn $50 free in Bitcoin. And in full disclosure, I will also earn $50 in Bitcoin if you use the link below and complete the necessary terms, which basically you need to transfer $400 in crypto and hold it for 30 days in order for us to both earn $50 in Bitcoin. So with that all being said, if you need to set up a new account, you just come over here to sign up, give that a click. Now they do also offer the option of downloading the app on your phone and you can get set up through the phone. And again, you would just input the referral code in the description down below when it asks for it when you're setting up on the phone. I much prefer a desktop, so everything I show you today will be via the Celsius web app on my desktop. However, I do have videos with me setting everything up on my phone in the playlist, so you can just check out my YouTube playlist if you want to see how to do this on the phone. So it's pretty straightforward. You would just complete the information requested, click on enter code, where you would then enter the referral code. Click sign up. They'll probably do some KYC as well after this page, and then you'll be good to go. So after you've completed the sign up process, next you just need to come and click on the sign in button. Here you would just put in the email address you signed up with along with your password and then click sign in. Next, you'll just need to put in your PIN number that you set up when you set up your account. And that'll bring you to the account dashboard. From here, you want to be able to receive that USDC. So you would click on receive. And again, if you have a new account, you'll want to add new coins and just give that a click and scroll through the list until you find USDC. You can see there's a variety of different cryptos you can send over here to earn interest on. I already have some USDC in my account, and so if I scroll down through some of the coins I hold on this particular account, I can find USDC, and you see right now it's paying 10.02% interest. And again, I'll challenge you, go into your bank, offer to deposit any amount of money in the bank, and ask for a 10% APY, and they're going to look at you like you're a crazy person. With that all being said, now I just need to grab the address to actually send the funds to, so I just come over to here to where it says view and copy address, give that a click. I can either scan it in if I'm using a phone, or in this case, I will just come down here to where you see the actual address and give that a copy. And something you do need to note is this will be sent via the Ethereum blockchain. As USDC can be sent over several blockchains, you want to make sure that you're sending apples to apples. In this case, USDC via ETH to USDC via ETH. So now I have the address copied. I will jump over to my Binance account And it really doesn't matter what account you're sending it from. It's pretty much the same process. You're going to need that wallet address to put into the account you hold the USDC to send to your Celsius account. In this case, I will be using Binance US, which is pretty much the same as Binance. And from here, I will just come over to the withdraw button and click withdraw. And there's a list of assets available for me to withdraw. In this case, I'm going to withdraw the USDC and send it over to my Celsius account. And so the first thing I need to determine is how much I actually want to send. And I'm just going to click max. I'm going to send it all over to my Celsius account. Network, again, that's that ETH to ETH that I was talking about earlier. In this case, that's ERC20. The other option is Binance's blockchain, but I need to send it via Ethereum's blockchain, and that'll be a ERC20 type token. And then lastly, I need my Celsius address, so I just paste that in here. And I can jump back over to Celsius to verify that's the same address, and that all looks to be the same. So I will click Preview Withdraw. And after confirming all the data is correct, I basically just click on Withdraw. I need to put in my Google authentication code. Once I have my authentication code, I just click Done. You'll see that my withdrawal is actually pending from Binance. This is a security step on their part. They will email me a code. And so I will need to click on the code in my email in order to confirm the withdrawal. Now, different platforms will have different processes. This just happens to be Binance US's process. And so if I jump over to the email, you can see the amount and the address I'm sending the funds to. So I click withdraw, and my withdrawal order has been submitted. So now I can go back to my wallet. And you can see from my wallet for USDC, this amount that we just transferred, the $2,200, is wrapped up in an order, and so I won't be able to actually access those funds as they're being sent over to Celsius. So if I jump back over here to Celsius, I can go back to my dashboard, and pretty much immediately I actually received the funds already. I can tell because my balance has gone up, but if I scroll down, I can click on USDC and see that I just received those funds that we sent from my Binance account, less the fee I had to pay Ethereum, which was pretty outrageous. It was like $75. But nonetheless, I have received those funds, and I will begin earning interest on those funds starting today. And so I think that pretty much wraps it up. If you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. If you're interested in videos on how to earn passive income on your crypto, you might want to shoot that subscribe button, as I do at least a couple videos a week on building wealth with crypto. So again, you might want to shoot that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop those in the description down below. I will drop a link to Celsius along with a referral code in the description down below. And if you use that link and referral code, you can earn $50 worth of BTC for free. So, in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.